42nd virtual flag raising ceremony was held on Monday, November 23, 2020, with the Provincial Treasurer's Office leading the activity. As such, the Office of Mr. Ronald Vilon also showcased their accomplishments, focusing on their tax collection for the third quarter of this year. During Monday's convocation, Governor Bambe Emano was not present as he had to attend an equally important event at the USTP to grace the signing of a legal document for a specific partnership agreement. The Provincial Agriculture Office aims to venture into another project to address the looming concern over the constant drop in the prices of copra, which will utilize other benefits from coconuts in the form of coconut water processing. The said project will be in partnership with the Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center. Hence, to formally seal the partnership, a ceremonial signing of the Memorandum of Agreement or MOA between the provincial government of MisOr and the USTP NMFIC was held at the USTP Cagayan de Oro campus. Present in the all-important MOA signing are Committee on Agriculture Chairman Board Member Eric Koo, Vice Chancellor for Research and Innovation of USTP NMFIC Dr. Aliva P. Canencia, Misamis Oriental Governor Bambe Emano, USTP System President Dr. Ambrosio Cultura, PhD, and Provincial Agriculturist Jose Apollo Pacamalan. This project will not only see a resurgence in the dying coconut industry of the province, but will also help the coconut farmers through elevating the price of coconut, which will result in higher livelihood income. Also on Monday, the Office of the Provincial Population Office under Mr. Andrew Gapuz once again responded to President Rodrigo Duterte's call for full implementation of responsible parenthood and reproductive health law to attain zero unmet need for family planning in the entire province of Misamis Oriental. In this regard, a team from his office went to Salay and conducted outreach activities on progestin-only subdermal implant insertion in the said town. The activity was a collaborative effort of POPCOM 10, Provincial Population Office, USAID, RTI Reach Health Project, LGU, the MHO, MPO, Barangay Population Volunteers, and Barangay Health Workers of RHU Salay. They also conducted post-training evaluation for PPO personnel and MPO designates of Lugait and Banticao trained on PSI insertion, removal, and replacement as the method of choice for delaying pregnancy or limiting number of children. A total of 29 women on reproductive ages opted to use PSI. Still on Monday, the Disinfection and Sanitation Committee of the Provincial Task Force for COVID-19, headed by Provincial Veterinarian Dr. Benjamin Resma, conducted the first phase of its 2-day thorough sanitation and disinfection of the Provincial Treasurer's Office, Sangguniang Panlalawigan premises, and of the Provincial Training Center in accordance to the orders of Task Force Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan. The treatment to destroy harmful microorganisms was conducted after some employees got infected with coronavirus. However, Governor Bambe Emano have always acknowledged the importance of keeping the well-being of all employees of the provincial capital. Thus, with the aim of avoiding the disruption of services provided by the government for the people despite the threats posed by the virus, Dr. Resma is meticulously maintaining the sanitation of the entire provincial capital through the help of the personnels from the Provincial General Services Office or the PGSO. Additionally, on Monday, another 22 deserving employees of the provincial capital were regularized and promoted to higher positions. 20 of them came from different departments, while the other 2 from Misamis Oriental Provincial Hospital. Just like the others, all of them expressed their gratitude and thanks to Governor Bambe for giving them the chance to continue serving Misamisnans. Governor Bambe Emano, a leader of progress and a servant of truth, just wanted people with the same mindset like him to be effective and efficient in all the capital's undertakings. Late Monday evening, heeding Governor Bambe Emano's commands of answering the call for aid by Misamisnan from the municipality of Kitabon, who were displaced by the recent conflict between government forces and lawless enemies, the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, headed by Fernando Vincent Lee Jr., speedily went to the said municipality to distribute food packs and assess the situation. The PDRRMO team arrived at 10 o'clock in the evening on their first stop at Cogon Elementary School and swiftly proceeded to the other schools and lastly to Kilangit Barangay Hall where the displaced families were situated. The team from the provincial capital then dropped by at Hitago Municipal Police Station led by Captain Foss to provide meals for police forces who were tirelessly assisting Hitagum LGU. Just after midnight, the team then arrived at G. Pelaez Barangay Hall, escorted by 70 troops from the Provincial Mobile Force Company with Vice Mayor Damasing and Captain Lorenzo at the helm before returning and arriving at the provincial capital close to 3 a.m. In total, PDRRMO aided 200 families consisting of 700 individuals as preliminary assistance as Governor Bambi Emano mobilizes the provincial capital's resources to provide further assistance to our fellow Misamisnans. On Tuesday, November 24, 2020, the Provincial Veterinary Office of Misamis Oriental, through its vibrant head, Dr. Benjamin Resma, continues to intensify the entry of processed pork products in the province. The team recently confiscated packs of pork siomai that were manufactured from Luzon from different stores in Hasaan, Misamis Oriental, as per the Governor's Executive Order 002, which bans the entry of all pork products from ASF-affected areas in the whole of Luzon. On that same day, the team immediately disposed all confiscated items, including those voluntarily surrendered pork chorizo from Pampanga. On Wednesday, November 25, 2020, Governor Bambi Emano urged grade 6 elementary pupils to avail of the entrance exam at the Philippine Science High School Central Mindanao Campus in Llano del Norte. SK Federation President Board Member Corinja Soldevilla, alongside the Provincial Youth and Development Office through Ms. Aline Peñalosa, will help in the facilitation of qualified applicants. Those who wish to avail of the said program may contact PYDO Facebook page for proper guidance and advice. The Emano administration have always been committed that under his leadership, all Misamisnans are special and all should be given fair opportunity to study, find work, and have a brighter future. It was also on Tuesday and Wednesday that the tireless staff of the Provincial Cooperative Office once again conducted monitoring and evaluation to different cooperatives and associations in the province. Mr. Alberto Boboy Akain said, the main purpose is to monitor the performance of cooperatives through reports, feedbacks, and information gathered from inspections and examination to ensure its safe and sound operations. They personally checked on the Bulisong Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative, Halabay-Labay Community Multipurpose Cooperative, Alubihid Single Motors Operators and Drivers Association, ACT CRES Producers Co-op, Kalapkat Farmers, and the CDO Transco. On Thursday, November 26, 2020, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through PSWD, headed by Mr. Junlimar Abella, held an interagency meeting concentrated on the government's Enhanced Comprehensive Local Integration Program, or ECLIP. Board member Dexter Yasay, being the chair of the Committee on Peace and Order in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, enjoined partner agencies to work closely with each other for a whole-of-government approach in providing benefits and services to former rebels. Board member Yasay was joined by the members of the 5th 8th Infantry Battalion of the Philippine Army, Misamis Oriental Provincial Police Office, the Department of Education, Technical Skills Development Authority, National Housing Authority, DILG-10, Land Bank, and other government line agencies. Governor Bambi Emano believes that ending the insurgency is actually not an end, but rather a means towards achieving social healing, reconciliation, unity among people, and eventually attaining lasting peace in the province. The meeting proceeded with updates on the government's plans and programs to ensure that former rebels receive a holistic package of benefits for their livelihood, medical assistance, housing, education, and free legal assistance. On Friday, November 27, 2020, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental has been recognized by the Pag-ibig Fund as one of the top 3 performing government employers in Mindanao. The said recognition was given during the first virtual Pag-ibig Stakeholder Accomplishment Report, or the Pag-ibig Star Awards. Acting Provincial Administrator Attorney Jocelyn Lod Mateo, who is very proud of this validation, accepted the award in behalf of Governor Bambi Emano. Attorney Mateo further added that the provincial government is on time and 100% remittance of the contribution to Pag-ibig Fund. This is a result of the governor's efforts in making sure that the releasing of salaries of employees are given on time. The governance of GYVBE aims to prioritize the people, and the recognition for the Pag-ibig Fund is a testament to the achievement and fulfillment of this goal. Furthermore, on Friday, the Provincial Population Office of Misamis Oriental, led by Mr. Andrew Gapuz and in collaboration with RTI International, USA, Commission on Population and Development Region 10, and LGU Claveria, conducted a progestin-only subdermal implant outreach activity for not less than 180 beneficiaries at Claveria Municipal Covered Court in Claveria, Misamis Oriental. PPO MisOr advocated for this initiative in response to Governor Bambi Emano's mandate of providing proper family planning services to all Misamisnans at all times, even during the pandemic. Ms. Caroline Neri, Assistant Provincial Population Officer, said the resolve to secure long-term contraceptive methods among some women, especially in remote areas, suggests that there could be a reduction in the number of unplanned pregnancies, especially in these trying times. Moreover, on Friday, Provincial Agriculturist Jose Apollo Pacamalan and Sangguniang Panlalawigan Committee on Agriculture Chair, Board Member Eric Hu, visited the farmers of Sitio Panganuran, Barangay San Isidro in Medina, Misamis Oriental to demonstrate the coffee layouting and to teach them how to plant coffee seeds, as their farm site, which is one of the highland areas of Misamis Oriental, have suitable climate and soil condition, making it a perfect site for planting several varieties of coffee. Aside from teaching them the proper ways of planting coffee, agricultural inputs and technical assistance were given as part of the capacity building from the farmers to local agriculture officials. With this, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through Jose Apollo Pacamalan, Board Member Ericu, Medina Municipal Agriculture, and the barangay officers, partnered with the Agricultural Cooperative Development International and volunteers in overseas cooperative assistance to successfully fulfill their goal of engaging the farmers into coffee planting to make the province one of the leading coffee producers in the region, as well as expand the agricultural variety available in the province. Still on Friday, the Human Resource Management Office of the Provincial Government of Misamis Oriental, under Ms. Jessica Inday Galindo, conducted Values Orientation and Integrity Management Program attended by Assistant Department Heads via the Google Meet. The said meeting was geared towards channeling values development through orientation and learning activities, help equip individuals with the necessary social skills that they must possess in order to have a harmonious working environment, and to help employees grow and develop their work values and integrity. And from November 23 to 30, 2020, almost 10,000 Misamisnans have already been properly assisted by the provincial government of Misamis Oriental. The offices that form part of the Travel and Arrival Committee under the guidance of Attorney Jeffrey Saclot have carefully facilitated 113 ROFs and 290 LSIs since last week, bringing a total to 9,962 individuals via air and sea travel. These Misamisnans are now in the hands of their respective LGUs and families.
The mantra of Misamis Oriental is plain and simple. Put Misamis Oriental first. If you believe in this, then join us. Embrace the Misamis Oriental way. Stay informed, visit our FB page frequently, and get involved. There will be many opportunities because together we can achieve so much more. There's much to do. Let's get going. Jinkyursi, PIO.